Hello, everyone. If AI video creation, YouTube automation, or cinematic storytelling plays any role in what you do, then this is one of those videos you shouldn't skip. Because right now, AI video isn't just improving, it's accelerating. What felt impressive a few months ago already feels outdated today. The gap between basic AI clips and true cinematic sequences is closing fast. And creators who understand what's coming next are quietly gaining a serious advantage. At the center of this shift is one platform that keeps coming up in conversations among serious creators: Higgsfield Kling 3.0. Not as hype, not as a gimmick, but as a genuine leap forward in how AI-generated video is created. In this video, I'm going to walk you through what actually makes Kling 3.0 different, how it works inside the Higgsfield ecosystem, and why many creators are now producing cinematic quality videos without relying on traditional time-heavy production workflows. By the end, you'll know whether Kling 3.0 fits your creative goals and, more importantly, your production reality. Let's start with the platform behind it. Higgsfield is one of the fastest-growing companies in the generative AI space right now. But growth alone isn't what makes it interesting. What sets Higgsfield apart is its mindset. This platform isn't built for one-click experiments or short-lived demos. It's built for people who create consistently, creators who upload regularly, teams working on ads and brand content, automation channels that need scale, and professionals dealing with real deadlines, real clients, and real expectations. Higgsfield's goal is ambitious, but very focused: to become the most creator-first AI platform ever built. That means tools designed around speed, reliability, and output quality, not novelty. And powering this entire ecosystem is its most advanced release so far, Kling 3.0. Kling 3.0 is a next-generation AI video engine that transforms text, images, references, and audio into complete cinematic sequences. Not just clips, not isolated shots, but scenes that feel planned, cohesive, and intentional. While Kling 3.0 technically follows Kling Video 2.6, the jump is so significant that it feels less like an upgrade and more like a new generation entirely. One of the biggest shifts is how Kling 3.0 understands structure. Instead of generating one clip at a time, it can produce full multi-shot videos in a single generation. The model understands shot progression, pacing, and visual flow. That means smoother transitions, better rhythm, and scenes that feel connected rather than stitched together. Characters remain consistent from beginning to end. Their appearance doesn't drift. Their identity doesn't break when the camera moves or the angle changes. Camera motion, framing, and transitions are handled natively by the model itself. This dramatically reduces the need for manual fixes and post-production cleanup. One of the most impressive upgrades is continuous video generation of up to 15 seconds. That might not sound huge at first, but in AI video, temporal consistency has always been one of the hardest problems to solve. Kling 3.0 handles it with confidence. Scenes stay coherent, motion feels intentional, and visual continuity is maintained throughout the entire sequence. This is one of the key areas where Kling 3.0 clearly separates itself from earlier AI video models. Another major strength is its unified multimodal workflow: text to video, image to video, reference-based generation. All of it happens inside a single model. You don't have to jump between tools. You don't have to rebuild pipelines. You don't have to fight complexity. You guide the scene with text prompts, refine visuals using reference images or videos, add character audio or dialogue, control pacing, style, and shot structure, all in one place. Audio performance is another area where Kling 3.0 stands out. Characters speak naturally, lip sync is accurate, facial expressions feel expressive, and multilingual support is strong. This makes dialogue-driven scenes feel believable rather than artificial. Visual consistency is equally impressive. Characters, objects, and environments stay stable even during zooms, pans, and complex cinematic camera movements. For storytelling, advertising, and branded content, this level of continuity is essential. Text rendering is clean and distortion-free, which makes Kling 3.0 especially valuable for subtitles, signage, branding, and text-heavy ad creatives. Video duration stays flexible, anywhere from 3 seconds up to 15 seconds per generation, giving creators control without sacrificing realism or quality. Inside Higgsfield.ai, the workflow itself stays refreshingly simple. You write your prompt, add references if needed, upload audio or voice clips, set the style, duration, and shot structure. Then you click Generate. From that point forward, Kling 3.0 handles the entire cinematic sequence automatically. No clip stitching, no complicated timelines, no heavy post-production. That simplicity is what puts it years ahead of many traditional AI video tools. In real-world use, Kling 3.0 performs exceptionally well in fast-paced action scenes, emotional close-ups, advertising content where text clarity matters, multi-character dialogue sequences, and smooth cinematic camera movements. If you create YouTube content, run automation channels, produce ads, or deliver client work, this tool can dramatically reduce production time while raising overall output quality. This isn't just another AI feature, it's a real production advantage. If you're ready to push your AI video creation to the next level, Higgsfield Kling 3.0 is absolutely worth exploring. You'll find unlimited access, a complete user guide, and my exclusive link in the description below. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel for more AI and creator-focused content, and if you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye and happy creating!